So there's a lot of hype around Bitcoin right now. After having reached 22,000 for the first time, and it's been increasing since, cryptocurrency continues to dominate the world of investing. But I'm not here to talk about Bitcoin today. I'm actually here to talk about Litecoin. The main cryptocurrencies you'll see under Bitcoin are going to be Litecoin and Ethereum. For those that don't know, cryptocurrency is a virtual currency that is secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Many cryptocurrencies are decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, a distributed ledger enforced by a network of computers. A defining feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are generally not issued by any central authority, rendering them theoretically immune to government interference or manipulation. So when I first heard about Bitcoin, it was really tied into dark web stuff, like buying organs, trying to hire hitmen, stuff like that. So I was turned off to the idea of investing my money into something that's potentially going to get me locked up. This was in 2015, back when Bitcoin was less than $1,000, even as low as $400 some. Fast forward to 2017, and it was catching a lot of mainstream attention, including my own, when it had skyrocketed all the way to almost 20,000. It peaked at 19,000. Just like so many others, I watched the money that I had invested go up just for it to fall right back down. But that was my introduction to cryptocurrency. Now having some experience, I realized Bitcoin is not the only one that you should be investing in. Cryptocurrency is the only type of currency that is completely determined by people just like you and I. So the value always seems to be going up. Even when it goes down, it ends up going back up. And Bitcoin is tied in with Ethereum and Litecoin. So the three work together. They have their graphs. When they go up, all three of them go up. When they go down, all three of them go down. Bitcoin being right now, at the time of this recording, $23,300 makes it the most expensive of the three. Ethereum is $657. And Litecoin is the cheapest one at $103. But wait, wouldn't it make more sense that the most expensive cryptocurrency is going to make you the most money? Not exactly. If you put in $5,000 right now into Bitcoin, it will get you 0.214 Bitcoins. And try putting that exact same amount into Litecoin, the cheapest coin, it will get you the most amount of coins. As of right now, it'll get you 48 Litecoins. So if Bitcoin is going up about $2,000-$3,000 each time it spikes, you'll be making however much the spike is times 0.21 for Bitcoin. If it goes up by $1,200, you'll be making that times 0.21, which is $252. Since these cryptocurrencies are all tied together and work together and grow and depreciate together at that exact same rate, Litecoin will have gone up $14 in the same amount of time. Multiply 14 by 48, you get $672. Small money in the world of investing and really in the world of cryptocurrency. So this is more for people that are trying to get started and learn about cryptocurrency, invest their money. I know a lot of people have heard about Bitcoin, but are hesitant to invest in it because they don't know what it is. They don't know how cryptocurrency works, and that's completely okay. Bitcoin has been around since 2009, yet still seems to be in its beginning stages. I guess what I'm trying to say is cryptocurrency is here to stay, and it's better to educate yourself now on it before it's too late. So the safest bet, I would say, outside of Bitcoin is either Ethereum, but Litecoin mainly because it is the cheapest coin and it will give you the most return in a shorter amount of time. And if Bitcoin keeps going up, Litecoin will only keep going up as well. So whichever one you own more of, you will get a higher profit. The last piece of advice I want to give anybody looking to get into investing into cryptocurrencies is to buy when the price is low and to not get worried when your stock drops. Know what you're investing in, listen to what other people are saying about it online, and even try to get your friends and people that you know, your followers online, get them in on the cryptocurrency craze because, like I said earlier in this video, this is the currency controlled completely by the people. Crypto is only entering uncharted waters and it's going to continue going up, but always remember to not put way too much into it. Only invest what you are willing to lose. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like for me, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about cryptocurrencies. If you'd like me to go in depth and make more videos covering it, let me know in the comments. If anybody wants to join Robinhood and get started on investing, I have a link in the description for an invitation to give you and I both free stocks. Make sure to subscribe, hit the noti bell. I will be back with more videos very soon.